Assalamu alaikum class. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our next class. Our next class is of English. Are you excited for your English lesson? I'm very excited to teach you English. Ready to learn? Now please open your books. New Broadway. Let's recall our previous lesson. What we have learned in our previous lesson, we learned unit number 2, Mullah Nasruddin's clever plan, page number 6, reading of first paragraph. Characters of unit number 2, Nasruddin, king and courtier. Okay, what is the story? The story is Mullah Nasruddin is very happy because the king has given him a land to use which can give him good crops. But the courtier of the palace is jealous because Nasruddin would have a lot of money. Okay, now please come on our today lesson, page number 6, reading from second paragraph. Put your pencils in your hand and underline the difficult words from writing. After all, the land belongs to the king. Underline the word belongs. Belongs mean relate. Relate. R-E-L-A-T-E. To the king. The jealous courtier went to the king. Your Majesty. Underline the word majesty. Majesty means honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. Your Majesty, he said, you gave the mullah land and permitted. Underline the word permitted. Permitted is the second form of permit. What is the meaning of permit? Permit means give permission. Permit means give permission. Permitted, gave permission. Underline the word permitted and write the meaning. Gave permission him to grow crops in it. मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन जो था किंग ने उसको बादशाह ने उसको एक लैंड दी थी जहाँ वो अपनी क्रॉप्स जो था वो ग्रो कर रहा था, लेकिन जो कॉर्टियर था वो जेलस था. It is now time to sow. Underline the word sow. Underline the word sow. Sow means to plant seeds, to grow the new crop. Will you allow me have half of what the mullah grow this year? अब वो कॉटियर कह रहा है कि मैं चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे प्लांट्स और क्रॉप्स जो है वो ग्रो करना चाहता हूँ, तो क्या आप जो मुल्ला के पास ज़मीन है उसका कुछ हिस्सा आप मुझे दे सकते हैं? I have a large family and the money would be useful. He said, I have a large family and the profit that I will gain from the crops, it will help me. The king ordered. Underline the word ordered. Ordered mean hukam dena. Command. What is the meaning of ordered? Command Nasruddin to give half of his crop to the courtier. Nasruddin went to the king. Your Majesty. Underline the word majesty again. What is the meaning of majesty? Honor. He said, which portion? Underline the word portion. Portion means part, हिस्सा. नसरुद्दीन बादशाह के पास जाता है और वो कहता है योर मैजेस्टी, कौन सा हिस्सा ऑफ द क्रॉप डज योर कॉर्टियर वांट? क्या आपका जो कॉर्टियर है, अटेंडेंट है, वो ज़मीन का कौन सा हिस्सा चाहता है? डज ही वांट द पार्ट डैट ग्रोज अबव द ग्राउंड? कहता है कि क्या उसको वो हिस्सा चाहिए जो ज़मीन के ऊपर वाला है, और डज ही वांट द पार्ट डैट ग्रोज बिलो द ग्राउंड, या वो हिस्सा चाहिए जो ज़मीन के अंदर वाला है? द कॉर्टियर हु वॉज स्टैंडिंग नियर बाई इमीडिएटली. इमीडिएटली मीन्स क्विकली. इमीडिएटली क्विकली, जल्दी से. रिप्लाइड. कॉर्टियर जल्दी से रिप्लाई करता है, आई विल टेक द पार्ट डैट ग्रोज अबव द ग्राउंड. अब जो कॉर्टियर है वो सोच रहा है कि जो ज़मीन के ऊपर का हिस्सा है वो मुझे जो है क्रॉप्स देगा, उससे मुझे प्रॉफिट होगा. लेकिन नसरुद्दीन ने तो जो है वो कैरेट्स ग्रो किए हैं, and carrots have roots, that's why carrots will grow inside the ground. अब जो कॉटियर है वो ज़मीन का ऊपर का हिस्सा ले रहा है, जबकि नसरुद्दीन ने यहाँ पे क्लेवर प्लान बना लिया, यहाँ पे उसका प्लान वर्क कर गया और उसको ज़मीन के नीचे का हिस्सा मीन्स कैरेट मिल गई. Okay, now please come on yellow box. Crops. Crops mean underline that difficult words and learn the meanings of that word with me. Crops, plants like vegetables and grains that farmers grow in large amounts. Your first word is crops. Your second word is profit. For example, if you buy something for Rs 10 and then sell it again for rupees 12, you make a profit of 2 rupees. Your third word is courtier. Courtier is the companion to the king. Companion, companions mean साथी, साथ देने वाला. Companion to the king. Your fourth word is jealous, unhappy, because you want something that someone else has. Permitted, give permission, allow, allot, permission देना, किसी को इजाज़त देना किसी चीज़ की. Portion, a part of something, किसी भी जगह का या किसी भी चीज़ का कोई हिस्सा. Okay, now it's your home task to read page number 6 and learn dictation from page number 6. Also write the dictation words on rough register from page number 6. Thank you. Take care of all of you. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah we will meet in our next lesson. Fi Manillah.